Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. It's been a while, but I wanted to give you an orientation of where we currently are, in my opinion. So there is a chance that the S&P 500 has completed here this long correction at 3,638 in this possible reversal area that I communicated to the gold channel members already a while ago. We are still in this area. Originally, I anticipated the reversal a little bit higher, so we came down lower than originally anticipated. This, however, does not change anything on the in the overall scenario that I believe the overall correction is over soon, and we're going to see impulsive increases to the upside soon. Overall, at the moment, what we see here is that wave 4 could be complete. Should we drop once more below 3,600, then we're looking at lower price levels all the way down to 3,300. There's significant support there. But for now, we can assume the low was in. We need to be still very careful. Yeah, there is not enough evidence yet that this is the case. So from an Elliott wave point of view, we came down here in an A, B, C correction, finishing off this higher level wave 4. I'm not showing all the subwaves because it's not really relevant. What I see here at the moment is that we moved up, or at least have had the chance that we moved up here in an impulsive wave. So we can count this as an impulse to the upside, finishing off here a wave 1 to the upside. That we then came down in a wave 2 correction. This is a 3-wave move to the downside. This was a wave 2, so let me just add that here to the chart, because we all want to know when this correction is finished, right? And at least to this reversal area, we saw quite strong reaction and then made a higher low. We'll see how sustainable that is, but we did hold this low at 3,745, this wave 2, and we could now be in a leading diagonal in a wave 3. Best evidence that we really are in the wave 3. And this is just what we need to wait for, honestly. We just need to wait for this, is that we move above the swing high of the wave 1. So there is key resistance here at 3,950, yeah, sort of in that region. 3,950, we already made it, and that is a good sign, above 3,844, above this swing high. So that was important resistance as well. We broke above that. That's a good and promising signal. And as long as we hold 3,745 here, the wave 2 swing low, we can for now focus on higher. But bear in mind, we are just approaching resistance here. So this will be key. You can see here an ascending triangle forming potentially, but we just need to do it. We need to break above this level. If we do, next resistance is 4,200. And what I can tell you is that really only above 4,200, I think the chances increase that we get out of this sell zone and that the correction is over. For now, even though we can count here a 1 and a 2, possibly beginning of wave 3, it is still very, very early days. Like, also in the crypto market, for example, in many other markets, it's still very early days. If there is a chance for a trend reversal now, but it's very early. Now in this wave 3, yeah, we should get just above this $4,200 level. There's basically a zone that we can aim for now, which would be between the 1.618 extension and the 200% extension of that wave 1. So I'm highlighting that on the chart. Here, this area between 4,245 and 4,362. So somewhere here, I would expect the reversal then down in a wave 4, depending on how high we go. That is usually then into the region between 20 to 30% of the wave 3 length. And it remains interesting. So if this correction is over, yeah, what needs to happen? It needs to happen that we finally break above the $3,946 level. Will be interesting if we can get that done in when the New York Stock Exchange opens. Or I expect first some resistance here, because it is a strong resistance level, this one. Yeah, it's a wave 1 high. Here we had a bit of resistance and support previously, so it's quite a relevant area, that $3,950 level. Yeah, and from here we need to move higher, yeah. And if we can't and then reverse and move down below the wave 2 low, then we invalidate this first impulse, and then there's a good chance we go even lower again and make the low below 3,640, and will go down all the way to 3,300. But even if we do that, I think there will only be, hopefully, only one more lower low. I think we are really, really towards the end of this overall correction. And that could become a little bit of a relief, really. I think it also depends to a certain degree on the outcome of the CPI data, when that will be released on Wednesday. Maybe we won't really see a decision before Wednesday, how this carries on. It remains interesting. And yeah, overall, I'll keep you updated here about the S&P 500 regularly. If you like the video, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, maybe check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. But definitely leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.